Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify design QA using BrowserStack for UI testing. Complete guide step by step clearly. To verify design quality assurance using BrowserStack for UI testing, start by creating an account on the BrowserStack website. Once signed up, log in to your account. Navigate to the live testing section of the platform. Select the operating system you want to test on, such as Windows or Mac OS. Choose the browser version you want to test, based on your project requirements. Open your website or application URL in the selected browser. Inspect the UI elements to ensure they are displayed correctly. Use the built-in screenshot tool to capture any discrepancies or issues. Make use of responsive testing to check how your design adapts to different screen sizes. Utilize the tools provided by BrowserStack to test on different devices and resolutions. Take advantage of the collaboration features to share feedback with your team. Document all the findings in a centralized location for easy access. Run through a checklist of common UI issues like alignment, color contrast, and button functionality. Verify that the user experience remains consistent across all tested devices and browsers. Conduct a final review of the results before compiling a QA report. Ensure all critical issues are addressed and resolutions are communicated with the development team. Finally, wrap up the testing process and schedule a follow-up session for further evaluations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.